Hello all, I'm Shilpa Pimpalkar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering at AICMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for the session of Database Management Systems. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to use JSON for encoding data and how to use JSON array for encoding of the data. Here I have created a project for demonstrating this JSON use. This JSON object class I have used and created its object. I'm able to use this JSON object because I have added here external jar file. You need to download the jar file, and here you can select build path. In add libraries, I need to select add external jar files, add external jar file, and here I have already downloaded the jar file which I have selected. This is a jar file org.json.jar which is available at C users admin, and in downloads it is available. I have added that. I have already added that. Whatever location you have, you can select that jar file and you can add through this option, add external jar. So I can show you C users admin, and in downloads you can see that jar file org.json.jar file. I have added that, already added, so I'll not add it again. Once you have added that successfully, you can see here you can use this JSON object and put method. This is required for encoding. You are initializing these values, key value pairs, with this particular object, JSON object. And here I have created another object array which is a JSON array type, where I can encode these values: email, phone number, city, area, and state. These are key value pairs which are added. Now one important point you can note here, JSON object.put. I'm using here JSON object. There are two objects. Please listen this carefully. And JSON object and array. In this object, I'm adding array. In JSON object, I'm adding this particular contact array. This contact is user defined a key. It can be anything. And this array I have constructed here. So as per your requirement, you can encode this particular object with specified key value pair, and I'm adding this particular. Next, I want to display this particular object. So JSON file is created and this JSON object.toString, and it will display whatever encoding we have done. I'll execute this. You can see here this JSON file is created. Contacts is added as email ID, phone number, city, area, and remaining other attributes are also added here, that first name, last name, country, place of birth. So here I have demonstrated how to use this JSON for encoding and for using jar. This is optional. I can remove this particular part. So as you can see here, this part is optional. If you want to write into the file, you can use that. Otherwise, you can directly display.